doing this. We're doing this.
Go to the side. Go to the nose. Go to the nose of the villain.
Do you see the dude all the way up top, like directly below the moon?
Yeah, I see him.
Wait, we have 1 minute, dude. I'm gonna have a bad angle to see this.
Here. Come here.
Yeah, he's just hiding behind a tent.
He's hiding. Yeah, he's just showing up there. You see him? He's just like, bro, I'm just gonna hang out here. It's
I'm
fine.
coming, Ninja.
Oh my god. All right, you push up. I'm gonna watch from underneath. People should have built a
Yo, right here. Right here. These guys.
Oh my god, someone's shooting me out. Oh my god,
Let's just chill by these guys.
Tripling it up. These guys are dancing. We're just trying to.
We gotta go up. We gotta go all the way up, though. We gotta go all the way up. Here it is, boys.
It's happening.
It's happening
right now. That's a different alarm.
We gotta get up.
It's it.
It's happening.
Oh my god.
It's happening.
Take a seat.
Get the popcorn out, boys. Get the popcorn out.
Everyone dance.
Oh my god. This is so sick. What's happening?
Where's it going?
Is it turning yet? Is it going to the moon?
Oh, is it turning?
Please go to Little Lake.
Go to the lake. Blow up Blue
Are we
Lake.
fighting now?
No way. I'm watching this, dude.
Where's it going?
What?
It's going.
Wait.
It just broke off.
What? Where's it going?
Something broke off. Something broke off. For sure. 100%.
This guy's trying to ruin my day.
Oh my god.
Why me?
Everyone's killing everyone.
Alright, I can still watch it. They broke off?
Where'd it go?
Dankness. Everyone go to Dankness.
There's something blue in the sky. Look. It's giant red laser.
What's it aiming at?
Oh god, dude.
Killed it!
Oh my god, I shouldn't have killed everyone. What just happened?
What?
It just.
Ben!
What?
Don't die! Ben, move! What's happening? What is that? Ben, go!
Oh, it juked us.
There's a spaceship flying around.
Tim, look at it!
It's just zapped down over here. What
What is happening?
It's going like through portals.
Tim, don't die to fall, damn it! Wait!
Just bust it back out, go back to the base.
Oh my...
What is happening, dude?
Just keep watching it. Tim, you gotta be careful. All those guys are fighting now. Just drop down.
Are you guys there?
Tim, we're
I'm
here.
still alive.
My mic has been muted this whole
Did you
time.
see all of that?
What's happening? Is it over?
I
The
think it was.
crack is still in the sky. Look,
There's a crack in the sky.
I'm going to look at where I'm literally investigating full force.
I'm coming. There's a team in front of me, but I don't even feel like engaging them. To be honest with you.
No, don't fight. Dude, I didn't know that this event was gonna be this long. I wouldn't have fought. I knocked so many people.
Something's falling out of the sky. Something's.
No, it's just